Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can install Docker in your system. So let's begin. So first of all, I'll show you how to download Docker on your Windows system, and for this you need to head to the official Docker website, which is docs.docker.com. And now you need to click on Get Docker, and now you can scroll down to the part where it says Docker Desktop for Windows. Now click on this, and you will be redirected to the Windows page. And here you can see it has two versions, which is Docker Desktop for Windows x86-64. You can download this. If you want a stable version, if you want the beta version, you can download this as well. All right, so I'll download this here, and it will prompt me to download this for me. So I've already downloaded this, so I'll show you the process further. So I've already downloaded this, so uh, I will just go and show the process from here. This is the exe file which has been downloaded in my system. Now if I click on this, the Docker install setup will begin itself. Just allow other permissions. Now it will set up your Docker for the desktop. So it will just start set up on its own. If it's not installed in your system, for me it is installed. So it is just saying me that existing installation is up to date. After this install has finished the setup, it will ask you to restart the device so it can work properly. And after restarting your device, you will have Docker Desktop installed in a system. So for accessing Docker, we can open this Docker Desktop. And if you are opening this for the first time, it will prompt you to sign in the Docker account using Google or GitHub or just a Docker account or with just your email. So I can sign in Docker using this sign in button and it will redirect me to the Docker page. And now I can sign in using Google or something else. All right, so now I've signed in into my Docker app and I can access Docker from here. If I want to test if my Docker is working or not, I can just write the command Docker version and it will state me the command. If I want to test it, if it is working in my local directory, I can go to any terminal and then I can type in here Docker version. And as you can see, Docker has its version written here. So that means Docker has been successfully installed in our system. That's great. Remember, you have to restart the device first if you want to access your Docker through the terminal in your local directory or local device. All right, so now we can begin to the next part, which is installing Docker for your Linux system. For this, the process is simpler as it does not require a GUI. Rather, it is just a series of commands. So first of all, you need to update your package list, which is sudo apt update, and then you can install some packages which is required to download Docker. These are just app transport, HTTPS, CA certificates, curl, and software properties common. All right, so now we have to hit a curl request on the Docker's official website, which will install the curl repository in the package list. And then we can write that repository in a package list using the echo command here. All right, then you can again update the package list using sudo apt update. And then you can finally install Docker using the command sudo apt install -y docker ce cli, and container.io. That will install Docker in your system. That's it. Then you can enable and start Docker using sudo systemcl start Docker and sudo systemcl enable Docker, which will enable Docker in a terminal. And then if you write Docker version, the Docker version will appear. So that's how you actually install Docker for your Linux system. If you are unable to start Docker or Docker is not getting installed properly, there might be some issue with virtualization enablement in your device. So you need to enable virtualization using the BIOS. For this, you need to log into your BIOS settings and then you need to enable virtualization. For that, it might be labeled as something like Intel VTX or AMD V under CPU or processor settings. And then on rebooting the system, your Docker should work again. All right. So guys, that was the process for installing Docker in your system, uh, Windows or Linux. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.